Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clean with me video. But before we get started with the cleaning, I wanted to announce that I am doing a huge giveaway in honor of reaching 50,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much. So if you win this giveaway, you will win all of the items that you see here. The first item is a $25 Target gift card. Who doesn't want a Target gift card? I love shopping at Target. Next item is this really cute Floral Grove Collaborative cleaning caddy. I really love this one. And then the next item is a Simply Earth essential oil recipe box. It's full of all kinds of awesome items and essential oils. And then I've got this 2-pack of microfiber cleaning cloths from Grove Collaborative, and also a 2-pack of their scrubber sponges, and then also a package of their cleaning gloves. And then the last thing is this big Simply Earth bonus box, all kinds of goodies in here from Simply Earth. So if you want to enter to possibly win this big giveaway, all you have to do is first be sure that you are subscribed to my channel with the notification bell turned on, because this giveaway is only for my subscribers. And then after that, just give this video a thumbs up and then leave me a comment down below, and the winner will be chosen at random. I will be running all of the comments down below through a random name picker, and I will have all of the details for this giveaway and how to enter again typed up down in the description box along with the dates. So today's video is going to be a relaxing clean with me video. I'm going to be playing some relaxing music with this cleaning instead of the normal upbeat motivating music. I'm going to be getting lots of different cleaning done throughout the whole house in this video, but this video isn't quite as long as my previous cleaning video. I know a lot of you say that you like the longer cleaning videos, but for this week I just had to do a little bit of a shorter cleaning video. But stay tuned, because next Saturday's cleaning video is going to be a cleaning marathon, so I will have over an hour of cleaning motivation for you guys. Relaxing clean with me videos are usually filmed after dark, but I haven't been doing a whole lot of cleaning after dark lately. I've just been trying to get all of my cleaning done during the day, so I don't have to do any cleaning at night. So that's why I just filmed this during the daytime. The first thing that I had on my list of stuff to clean was the kitchen. I just wanted to get it tidied up, get the dishes put in the dishwasher, get the dishes washed, wipe down the countertops. And here I was just showing you what I'm currently using at my sink. I'm currently using the Miss Meyer's dish soap and hand soap in the peony scent. This is one of their spring scents and it smells amazing. And Grove Collaborative has a deal going on for the month of May that you can get a Miss Meyer's hand soap, dish soap, multi-surface spray, a Grove Bubble Up scrubber, which you see there beside my soap and dish soap. You can see it there on my sink. You will get one of those for free, a Grove Walnut scrubber sponges, free shipping, and a VIP trial with my link down below. And you will get that with your first purchase of $20 or more. So I just thought I'd let you guys know about that. The link is always down below. So as you can see here, I had a whole bunch of grapes that I had to take apart, and I had to wash all of them. And then I also had some strawberries that I needed to cut up and wash as well. And you're probably wondering why I'm using such a giant knife to cut up these strawberries, and it was because all of my smaller knives were currently washing in the dishwasher. had the kitchen all cleaned up, the next thing that I wanted to get done was to give the hall bathroom a really good cleaning. I started off by washing down the mirror, and then I cleaned the countertops and the toilet and the trash can and vacuumed the floor. The last thing that I did was to get my cordless vacuum and get that bathroom floor vacuumed really quickly, and then later on in the day I brought the mop back here and mopped the floor, and after I had that floor cleaned, then I went on to tidying up the living room. The living room just needed a quick tidy up, but I wanted to dust and wipe down a couple of surfaces, and I wanted to vacuum the window seals and vacuum the floors. The last thing that I wanted to get done in the living room was to vacuum the floors, and I always get a lot of questions about this athletic skirt that I always wear when I'm cleaning. It seems like I wear this in most of my cleaning videos just because it's so comfy. It's so nice to wear when you're cleaning or when you're working out. And this skirt was sent to me by Snoga Athletics a couple months ago. I'll find the link for this exact skirt and I'll try to link it down in the description box just since I get so many questions about it. And the shirt that I'm wearing today is from Marshalls, just in case anybody would ask that as well. And that is going to be it for this relaxing clean with me video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that this video was inspirational to you to get your house cleaned, or that you could clean along with me. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join, and you can also head over and follow me on my Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Bye!